Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes Steam trouble connecting to the Steam servers. Type CMD in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click Yes to continue. Type net sh space, winsock, sp reset. Type net sh space, int, space ip space, reset. ipconfig space, /release. ipconfig space, /flush DNS. ipconfig space, /renew. Exit from command prompt. Restart computer. If same problem still exists, second method is right-click Steam, click Properties. Click Compatibility tab. Check Run the program as an administrator. Click Apply, OK. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.